Hello traders and welcome back to Trading with Bill. Great to be with you September 4th, 2014. You can always catch me at tradingwithbill.com. Come check out my website. Nothing big, but just has a little bit of information on there and a place to chat with me. Alright traders, it's beautiful. It's very early on Friday morning, September 5th, while I'm doing this video. This is a recap of our live trading room, and we have some great slides to show you. So if you are not registered yet with us, let me bring over our next slide, which will show you the GoToMeeting URL. Now traders, this does not change. This stays the same. So if you just copy that and save it, every day 15 minutes before the London Open, Tuesday through Friday, we do a live trading room for the London Open, and the session runs between 2.5 to 3 hours at the most, and we have a lot of fun. We have some great traders in the room, and we'd love to see you there. Traders, please let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I am your, well, they call me Bill, and I am tradingwithbill.com. I've been trading from 2006. In 2008, I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, I came to Thailand for a holiday for 3 months, celebrating my 27-year career. And it's 2014, traders, and I'm still on my holiday. And now I'm living here in Thailand and absolutely love it. And as a trader who trades different instruments, it's very nice as I can trade all 3 sessions, Asia, London, and New York, and still get a good night's sleep. So it is wonderful. And traders, I really like chatting with you every single trading day. So let's move along. Enough about me. All right, traders, in the live trading room, we use the DTS Diversified Trading System, and this is brought to you through Indicator Warehouse, who I have teamed up with and has been absolutely awesome. I am trading live in my live account, and in the trading room, we take live trades, not demos, not simulated, not fake. We are taking live trades with live money on the Diversified Trading System, and it's basically the 3 birds. We call it the 3 birds. We have the hawk, the falcon, and the eagle. And traders, if you obtain the DTS system, the nice thing about that is you're not just buying one system, you're buying 3 totally different systems. All right, let's get over to some charts and let's take a look and see what we have going on. All right, traders, this is the Euro USD. When we came into the room, we took a look at this and saw that we had a possible trade opportunity here. As you can see, the bottom bar here is our momentum on the bottom here, and it's green. You can see how that our falcon line here is green, and we have our green dot, green triangle, and a green double hash mark, meaning to head into a long trade. The only thing I didn't like was when I looked left at the chart, you can see that we did have some resistance. And I wasn't liking that I had a red candle. So we did not enter this trade, traders. We waited. And it's a good thing we did because it ended up not working out. It went up about another 5 pips and ended up coming back down on us. So, you know, as good as the DTS system is, and it saves us a lot of time, yes, we still have to think. We still have to use our brain when we're trading, looking at support and resistance and areas of concern. And also, always remember to look at your economic calendar for news data that can pop you out. I will tell you, last week I was in a trade and I totally forgot about construction PMI. And what did it do? It knocked me out for a 24 pip loss. All right, traders, so that's just a trade that we looked at on the Euro USD, but due to circumstance, and we were a long time in this Renko bar. It was a very long time, and I'm really big about time of day and time in the trade, and I just didn't like the feeling of it, and we moved on. All right, let's go over to our next slide, and this is the Euro Yen, and this is on our Eagle, which is a little bit of a longer term chart, and this just looks beautiful for the long side. Take a look at this trade. It's uptrend. What does it do? Comes back down into the cloud, which you want. We don't want it to come past this hard shell at the bottom of the cloud, and we want to take this to the upside. However, this was like 4 in the morning my time in Thailand, so I sure wasn't awake for this. But when we looked at the chart, we saw this, and we saw the red dot, and it was pretty cool. Some of the traders said, well, we don't have a trade because we have a red dot. And I was saying, well, wait a second, we might have a trade here. Let this come down further into the cloud. The closer we get down to the hard shell, the better for us. So let it pull back. And that's what I was looking for. And if you take a look over in the cloud, you can see that long wick on that Renko bar. That was great because that's showing, I call them little thrusters. And that's showing that this wants to go up. So I was wanting this to come back down and head back up. So I just wanted to show you the Eagle in action and how nice this is. Again, you can see this is a totally different system, and that's the big advantage of the diversified trading system, is that you're getting 3 totally different systems. You're not paying for one system and that's it. You're getting 3. All right, traders, let's move on to the pound yen. The pound yen was a trade that we looked at. If you see, you can see the line across the top of the chart there. And we were looking for, so what we saw here was we saw that we had resistance here. And I wanted to take the trade as long as this went above that resistance line. Well, it just so happened in time that we decided to place a trade. And let me show you that trade. The same pound yen chart, same thing. And we actually placed a live trade. This is a live trade. You can see where the order was pending, waiting for it to kick off into this. And it did kick off into this and worked out very nicely. The problem was, believe it or not, was it ended up coming up to like 170, 274, 73, then it went back to 68, and it just came up and down and didn't do anything. And like I said, I'm pretty big into how long I'm in this trade, and this is a hawk trade. So this is a scalp trade. I want to be in and out of this thing in a half hour, 45 minutes. I want out of this trade. I don't want to be sitting in this hawk trade for an hour, 2 hours. Otherwise, I'd be in a falcon trade, right? So anyhow, it was getting later, and we had GDP news, Great British Pound news, coming out in about an hour. And I said, you know what, traders? We are going to just see if we can get somewhere like 2 or 3 pips up. And we got 4 pips up. I went break even. And basically, I got out of the trade with 1.3 pips. And traders, I am so glad I did. This thing ended dropping like a rock. So I was really glad that I got out of this trade. And it went down about 20 or 30 pips. It would have stopped me out. So I was really glad that we got out of the trade. But again, the system works. And if everything lines up, the system works. But again, you have to be smart and you have to think while you're using the system. So we took a live trade in the live trading room on a live account. You can take a look on the right side of the chart. This is my trade manager. That's my account number. We're not taking demo trades, making me look good. No, I'm taking live trades with my hard-earned equity to show the confidence I have in the DTS system and in myself. I have confidence in my trading. And man, we have to trade with confidence. Whether we win the trade or we lose the trade, that is not the issue. It is that you have confidence in your trade analysis and your trade plan. That is so important. All right, traders. Traders, I'd like to thank you for joining me. This is a recap of September 4th, 2014. Traders, take a note of the URL on the bottom. That is the Indicator Warehouse homepage. Check out that website. Beautiful website. Learn about the DTS system. There's plenty of other things that on there that are very interesting. They have indicators and stuff like that. And remember, this is only used on the NinjaTrader platform, so you do need the NinjaTrader platform. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Sunny skies, early in the morning. Absolutely loving it. Having a great time. Traders, and we'll catch you for the recap for today, hopefully later in today or maybe very early tomorrow morning. Traders, take care and have a great day. and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.